Welcome back to my channel. Enjoy the ASMR unboxing of our new smart OLED TV from LG. Very interesting material on the back here. Looks like leather, but it's actually plastic. Now I need to quickly screw the legs to the TV. And now I will do the first setup and check the OLED image quality after that.
Press the OK button, wheel, on your remote. OK. Language, English, checked. The magic remote is connected successfully. Bosnian, unchecked. Français, Irish, Italian. Polish, Slovenian, Serbian. Svelska, Bulgarian. Macedonian, Ukrainian, unchecked. Albanian. Netherlands, Hungarian, Irish. English. Google. English. Checked. Next. Button. Country United Kingdom checked. To proceed to the next step, press the button at the bottom. Unchecked. Estonia unchecked. Finland unchecked. Next. Button. Accessibility settings after initial setup. You can access diverse settings via home. Accessibility. Accessibility settings button. Adjust the visual and auditory settings to optimize your viewing environment. Set up later button.
Now the first setup is done, let's just explore what we have here. That's why this TV supports 120Hz mode and 0.1 milliseconds response time to have an amazing and smooth gaming experience. By the way, while we are testing out this crispy new screen, here is a quick friendly reminder to hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you are enjoying the setup so far. Welcome to the channel. As we scroll through the videos tab, you can see I have got a massive variety of content for you. If you love deep dive tech, unboxings like this one, epic cycling tours, or just want to experience the stunning nature and real life here in Finland, it's all waiting for you right here. I also post a ton of shorts with quick tech tips, funny behind the scenes moments, and highlights from our travels. So there is always something fast-paced and fun to watch when you are on the go. And finally, if you are in the mood to binge watch, I have organized everything into neat playlists. Whether you want a full series on bike trips or our travel vlogs, feel free to check out my other uploads. Take a look around and welcome to the community. Alright, moving on. As promised, let's do a deep dive test of this TV's HDR OLED panel. I have loaded up a special 16K HDR OLED Dolby Vision test video on YouTube to check out the contrast, peak brightness and those perfect blacks. Let's see how it handles this ultimate visual test. Whoa, I've been lost in this video for the last minute, in complete silence, because the colors are absolutely wild. They are so bright and vibrant. Honestly, looking at this makes me want to drop everything right now, pack my bags and just fly out to live on these islands or in these forests. The picture is so crisp. The colors actually look better than in real life. Why OLED? That's why. Oh, how could I forget about the most important part of any unboxing? A friendly reminder for those who don't remove the film from the TV screen. Kindly remove it, otherwise it can be dangerous for your TV screen if you will try to remove it later. I mean, after a year, for example. Time to remove this film. Now, looking at the back of the TV, you can see all the different ports and inputs available for the user here. I have also put up some screenshots here with the detailed specs, technologies and software support. You can check out all the store-like details, including perfect blacks, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. Me, time to edit new project. Also me, opens Netflix. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. and definitely subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything new coming up.